Hey, it's your boy, I break. I'm on 13 Music Group. Shout out to everybody that fuck with me. Just gonna spit stuff for you boys, some more bars real quick. Let's see, look. 2 Chainz rocker, no titty boy. Grown man but got a fetish for packing them toys. Since I got older, I had to learn not to fuck with them boys. Hit the block hard, pop the toy like I'm feeding them roids. Hood nigga, you better check the resume. A couple ounces, I don't do that on the average day. Paper getting tall, now I can ball in a major way. Made a couple extra hundred stashes for a rainy day. Cause I ain't none of you dumb niggas to spurge cash. Took a while for me to get money, so I'ma hold that. When it's beef, calling my niggas, we coming out strapped. Everybody wanna do music, but y'all can't rap. Lime green, I can call it spinach. I'm riding mean, getting dough while the windows tinted. After that, I send the ass home, I should skip the picture. If it's money over bitches, I shouldn't have to miss it. To get on, they try to steal my swagger. But call me as a bitch, so why you bringing this bad luck? 100 round clip in the chopper, that bitch messed up. Aiming at y'all section, advise y'all to bag up. Why? Cause I'm gonna pitch you a vehicle. I be around town killing shit like it's legal. And that all white Chevy looking like a seagull. Plus my diamonds all different colors like Easter. Hoods like Adidas, cause you don't have real stripes. There's so many boys that tell you to pick up my windpipes. Tell a nigga calm down. Boy, I spray around. Cause when I leave, they gon' need corners and lots of hell. I'm from the city where niggas walking capinis up. You gotta keep a chopper cause hand guns ain't good enough. The thoughts when you say gotta be really tough. You spit, I sleep. You a rapping Jigglypuff. I'll bring this quick boss for y'all, man. Let me know what y'all think.